Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I'm going to talk to you about what is a will. Before I get into that, I want to give you my contact information. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. From there, you can either schedule an appointment to speak with me directly on my calendar, or you can fill out a form with your very specific question and I can get back to you that way. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on my social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Now let's get into it. What is a will? A will, or otherwise known as your last will and testament, is a legal document that will assign your property after your death. Now, this property is both personal property, like the items you own, your car, your housewares, your clothing, your collections, art, etc., and your real property, any actual houses that you own or physical property, land that you own, that kind of thing, ranches. You get the picture. So this legal document is, like I said, only to assign property after you pass away. So if something were to happen to you and you were no longer able to care for your property or you became incapacitated, this document would not be effective whatsoever. That is why a will alone is not a complete estate plan, and I recommend that everybody have additional documents in place. To learn more about that, you can contact me. Now, what else do you need to know about a will? First, in California, there are many requirements about how to fill out a will, who needs to witness it, information about those witnesses, in which order they witness it, how they sign it, the form of the will, what it looks like, what it says, whether it's written, whether it's typed, is there a date, that kind of thing. It's very rigid and there are many rules. It's very easy to mess this up, which is why I recommend you contact an attorney to complete your will for you. There is software that you can download, like online, or go to Costco or something and buy will software documents. However, again, it will only give you a form to fill out. It's still up to you to make sure that the signatures are in the correct order by the right people and those people have the correct qualifications, that you have the amount of signatures that you need, that there's initials, dates, signatures on the right pages, and that all of the information that you need is on there. So it's complicated whether or not you pay an attorney or you pay to download these documents yourself. More about wills. They are necessary. Don't get me wrong, they're a pain, but they're necessary. Every person should have one, whether they own property, physical property, real property, or not. If you're over the age of 18, you should have a will. The problem with only having a will is that it does not avoid probate. Probate is the legal court process that you go through, or your family goes through, after you've passed away. They have to file in court. Not only is it expensive, but it takes a long time. It's public, so anyone can figure out what you have or what's going on with your estate. Your creditors have to be notified, and it just invites conflict. To avoid probate, you could do a couple of things. One, if you don't own anything, you're not going to have to go through probate because there is a cutoff. Currently, if you have less than $166,250 worth of probate property, then you will avoid it completely. But be warned, that doesn't mean you need to have that amount of money in the bank. That includes things like your 401k, your retirement accounts, your life insurance, property you own, and anything else that is of value that is assigned to you is going to be counted toward probate. So almost all adults will meet that criteria. Also, something to know about filling out a will on your own is that you aren't necessarily going to capture everything that you need, and oftentimes a will alone is not just incomplete because it doesn't take care of what happens during your life, but it doesn't take care of all of your property. So a will is necessary, a will is great. However, you need more. If you have any questions, you can contact me, like I said, on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com, or on my social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.